Power BI. Analyze the data with artificial intelligence. Streets are designed to build wealth. The sidewalks invite walking from place to place safely. A street that is 10 feet wide is considered ideal for business area. 10 feet is not too wide. People can walk across safely on foot regardless of their age or ability. It is people walking into stores by and large that creates wealth, but only once they have left their cars. Streets support a town. Stroads do not. Stroads are too fast for drivers and too dangerous for people. What can we learn from the data? Power BI can use AI, artificial intelligence, to create better visuals. It gives us some different insights. Let's look at the data.